everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new cheerleader outfit from the latest Heatwave hype Gacha banner in Heartopia. So first, just open the gilded acorn exhibitions like this, and then next just choose the Heatwave hypes at the cheer versions like this, and then in here you can gacha the the outfit for the cheerleader like this, and then in here you can drawing using Moonlight crystal, and if you don't have enough crystal, don't worry, you can get Moonlight crystal for free from the daily login rewards, so make sure to claim them every day at here at the guild sign in like this. And then next, just start to drawing the gacha. And then in here, once you obtain the main rewards, these rewards, you will instantly unlock the full cheerleader outfit set. And then there are also 3 different color versions that are available on here, so you can choose the one that you like the most. There are blue, and then green and red. In here I want to gacha the blue one, and then in here you need 30 moonlight crystal to draw this banner. I want to try to draw, and then just tap on confirm like this. In here I got the shoulder bag. And then in here, just keep in mind that if you don't get the main reward right away, its additional gacha attempt will require more moonlight crystal than previous one like this. You can see it. The next draw you need 60 moonlight crystal. So be sure to save your crystal before pulling. And okay, that's how you can get the new cheerleader outfit from the Heatwave hype Gacha banner in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!